My name is Dave Anderson, and I'm the founder of Skill Builders and a bit of a DBA. And luckily today we have John with us. Many of you have been with us for previous sessions. And John's going to teach us today, Mr. John Watson, who is an Oracle Certified Master DBA, very rare award to get. And he also manages everything to do with Oracle Database with Skill Builders. So all of the Oracle database services that we offer, such as remote DBA and Oracle support and Oracle Apex hosting, all of those things John makes sure is running smoothly. John is also an author, so I don't know if you had the opportunity to see some of John's books, but John has authored several books, including the installation and exam guide. You can see that now. And of course, if you come to a class, some of the classes that we offer, we give textbooks as part of the course. So if you come to class, you might get one of those books. So the all-in-one exam guide was written by John Watson and of course Rupesh, one of John's colleagues. So there's a bunch of good books out there available, authored by John. So without further ado, I'm going to pass it over to John for the agenda and the training itself. Welcome, John.
Thank you, Dave. Well, good afternoon, everybody. This is going to be, we think, a fairly short session. What I want to talk about today is the Refreshable Clone capability. Before we dive straight into that, just a brief word about multi-tenant architecture. Then we'll do it with a few demonstrations. And after that, I'll talk a bit about some usage cases, why I happen to think this is such a powerful feature and why I have found it so useful.